Hey, too much juice isn't always healthy. Most packaged juices contain a lot of added sugar. When you drink too much sugary juice, your kidneys work harder to filter your blood. Over time,
we're going to make exactly this kind of AI video with voiceover, which is trending a lot these days. First, take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only a few videos, yet it already has 103,000 subscribers. And if you check the videos, you'll see that they are getting millions of views, and this channel is Monetized Go. YouTube's channel now is earning huge $5. $9K, $95K per month. You can see how these trending health videos are performing. You can also make videos exactly like this very easily. In the complete course, I'll show you how you can create these trending videos for your own channel and grow your channel as well. The most important thing is that we'll make everything for free. And yes, I'll also show you how to create the voiceover, because the voiceover is a very important part. We'll even create the tractor voiceover for free. Everything will be made for free. If you're new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Let's get started and see how to make these trending videos. First, open ChatGPT. I'll provide the prompt in the YouTube comment section. Simply copy the first prompt. The Scene 2 prompt is also very important, and I'll show you exactly how to use it later in the video, so make sure you watch until the end. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, and you'll get something like this. As you can see, ChatGPT will ask what topic you want to create a video about, such as eyes, skin, hair, or any other subject. It will also suggest high viral professional topics like brain during sleep, jaundice, red blood cells, heart attack explained, and many more. I like the fourth topic, what happens after you eat food. So I'll copy that topic and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, I'll go back to YouTube and find the type of video I want to create. Using the snipping tool, I'll crop a tractor image like this because I want to create a similar style of tractor video. You should crop 2 or 3 tractor images and save them. After saving those tractor images, upload them to ChatGPT, just like I'm doing here. Once they're uploaded, copy and paste the Scene 2 prompt. This part may seem a little difficult at first, so if you don't understand it immediately, simply watch this section of the video again if ChatGPT starts generating images automatically. Don't worry. Just type, "Please do not create images." Analyze these tractors and create 8 detailed image prompts, 8 detailed video prompts, and add a 150-word story. After you send that message, ChatGPT will generate everything for you, including Scene 1, Scene 2. Scene 8, along with detailed image prompts, video prompts, and the complete story. I'll also show you how to create the voiceover later in this video, because that's a very important part. As you can see, all of my scenes are now ready, and the results are excellent. Now it's time to create the images. I'll open Leonardo AI, choose the Phoenix 1.0 model, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then I'll copy each image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. The first image will start generating immediately. Repeat the same process for all the image prompts by copying and pasting them one by one. Leonardo AI is an excellent platform for creating high-quality AI images. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. As you can see, all of my images have now been generated, and the results look amazing. Now let's create the voiceover, which is another very important step, especially if you want to make trending talking fruit videos or similar content. Simply type this in ChatGPT, also add voiceover in this prompt. After a few moments, ChatGPT will generate voiceovers for every scene, Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and the rest. Finally, download all the images and save them in order as Image 1. Keeping everything organized by number will make the next step much easier. Now that all our images are ready, let's move on to creating the videos for free. Using Flow Labs. First, open Flow Labs. I'll also show you how to use it for free and how to get free daily credits so you can generate voiceovers without spending any money. I'll explain everything step by step, so don't forget to like the video. Now let's create the video. Click on New Project. Once you click on it, you'll see a screen like this. Next, upload your images. For example, I'll upload this image first. In a few moments, it will finish uploading. Then I'll upload the second image as well. After that, click on Animate to add the prompt. I've already saved my prompts as the video prompt for prompt 3. I simply copied it from ChatGPT because I'm showing you the complete workflow from start to finish. Now I'll paste the video prompt here. Next, we need the voiceover prompt. I'll go back to ChatGPT where I previously asked it to generate voiceovers for every scene. I'll copy the voiceover prompt and paste it into Flow Labs. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within a short time, your video will start generating. It usually only takes a few moments, depending on the server load. Now, our first video is now ready. As you can see,
once the food is swallowed, it enters the esophagus. This muscular food tube doesn't rely on gravity alone. Instead,
it will finish uploading. Then I'll upload the second image as well. After that, click on Animate to add the prompt. I simply copied it from ChatGPT because I'm showing you the complete workflow from start to finish. Now I'll paste the video prompt here. Next, we need the voiceover prompt. I'll go back to ChatGPT where I previously asked it to generate voiceovers for every scene. I'll copy the voiceover prompt and paste it into Flow Labs. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within a short time, your video will start generating. It usually only takes a few moments, depending on the server load. While the second video is also ready. As you can see, the result is excellent. We've now successfully created 2 high-quality videos. Now you might be wondering, how do we keep creating more videos? Here's the trick. Take a look at the browsers I'm using: Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and a few others. You can use multiple browsers with different email accounts. Simply log into each browser with a separate email address. When you create a new account, you'll receive 150 free credits to get started. After that, Flow Labs gives you 50 free credits every day. By using multiple browsers with different email accounts, you can continue creating videos for free. Now, upload your image, paste the video prompt, and don't forget to add the voiceover as well. I always recommend adding a voiceover because it makes the final video much more engaging. Once you click Generate, the voiceover and video will be processed together. After a short wait, your video will be ready. That's the simple trick to keep using Flow Labs for free and create AI videos without spending money. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. It's time to edit everything. Open CapCut, import all your clips, arrange them in the correct order, and add your background music. After that, make sure to add animations and effects. Go to the effects section and apply the ones that look best for your video. The better the effects and animations, the more engaging and professional your video will look. That's it. Your video is now ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've shown you the complete process of creating these videos with voiceover from start to finish. Thanks for watching.
Hey, too much juice isn't always healthy. Most packaged juices contain a lot of added sugar. When you drink too much sugary juice, your kidneys work harder to filter your blood. Over time,